Ready? Alright, so we're here with St. Catherine High School standout player today, Rajae Taylor. First of all, baller, how was the game?
The game was good, even though it was rough, but the man put in a fight.
Right, you came out today, you know that Mona High School are a good team. What were you guys trying to do to accomplish the win today?
We just play for each other, fight for each other, and get the job done.
Alright, and today your coach said that the ref decided the game. How do you feel as one of those players on the park? How did you feel the ref did today? What were some of the things that went wrong in your eyes?
We don't have any control over that. Over the referee. The referee decision is final.
Alright. And you are a player that went across to St. Catherine High School this year. What went into that decision and how do you feel about your transfer?
Well, my transfer is good. I'm at my home now, so more comfortable at my home and playing some ball. Feel good.
Alright, and what are you looking to do in the Manning Cup this year? Are you looking to win it with St. Catherine or do you have a team that will just put up a good fight?
Yeah, man, we think we have a team who can win the competition, so we just go forward and just go and put in some work.
There we have it from St. Catherine High School. Centre back, Rajae Taylor.